Mastering the art of shallow frying is all about temperature control. It's relevant for lots of things actually, but especially with shallow frying. Pieces of fish or something crumbed like what we're about to cook, this chicken schnitzel. You'll notice I've got quite a lot of oil in the pan. Okay, the reason is that panade surface, the egg and breadcrumb surface, is going to soak up a little bit of that, and if we don't have enough oil, it's going to be dry and not very nice to eat. It tends to burn a little bit, so enough oil that it can fry. It needs to be hot enough. If it's not hot enough, then the food will absorb the oil and it will be soggy and greasy. Not too hot that it's going to burn. So consider the thickness of the item you're cooking. This is a thin piece of chicken schnitzel, and it's going to cook quite quickly, as you can see. Maybe a minute on each side is all it's needed to turn it over and it's nice and golden. If it was thicker, we'd need the temperature down a little bit more so that it wouldn't burn by the time it is cooked on the center, or be nice and golden on the outside and raw in the center. So that temperature management is key. And obviously, as always, don't forget to rest it.